Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 11X Pro, and today I'll show you how we can take a screenshot on this device. We got three methods. I'm going to show you all of them. So the first one, you have to click and hold power key and the volume down button, just like that. Press it at the same time. Screenshot was taken. You can enter for that screenshot and save by tapping on the right upper corner. The next option, open notification bar from the right side, and you have to find this icon, the screenshot. And after that, click on it. The screenshot will be taken also. And the last option, the last method of the screenshot, you have to go for the settings. Next, you have to find additional settings, go for the gesture shortcuts, and go for the take a screenshot. Enable this option to slide with 3 fingers down and take a look. When you swipe with your finger just like that, you can capture a very screen, everything that you have on your screen. So as you can see, it's very simple, and that's how we can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.